Hello, and welcome to another series of AWS machine learning module. In this video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna extract the text using the machine learning service that Amazon has provided, and it is called Amazon Textract. Textract actually extract the text from the document or the images that you provide to this service. Tell you the truth, I was really surprised with the accuracy of this service once I have used it during my experiment. Because the text structure is so mature, it not only identify the information, but it also identify the place of the information where it sits in within the document. So very powerful service. And as you know, the machine learning is hungry for the data. So with the AWS, the biggest advantage with their services, that they train their services on daily basis with a lot of data that has been used by many people across the globe. So that will obviously mature the service, as well as increase the accuracy of the machine learning services which AWS has provided as part of their stack. So what we're gonna do in this architecture, if you can look, what we are trying to do in here. So we are planning to build a small solution where we're gonna upload the document in the S3 bucket, and that will trigger an event which execute the Lambda function. And the Lambda function will communicate with Amazon Textract to call the service dynamically using the Python code, and then it will provide the document information. So Textract can process this document and extract the information for us. So like I mentioned, it's a series of videos. So in the first video, we're gonna have the field information that we're gonna extract from our document. Like, you know, if we have a form which has the different data set, like the first name, last name, email address, these sort of thing. We're gonna see how we can extract it. And in the next video, we're gonna identify the table information. And obviously that all that information, once we extract it, we're gonna put it back into our S3 bucket, which can be accessible to our end user through the JSON format, right? So we can even return that information through the JSON. But in this case, what we're gonna do, we're gonna store it in the JSON file to our S3 bucket, and then from there, our end user can access it. So small solution, but very powerful, will help you to understand how you can automate the whole process that will extract the information from the incoming document. That could be the purchase order, invoices, or any sort of document that you are trying to, you know, process automatically. And instead of, you know, dedicating it to someone who can look at the document and then start keying the information, we can use Amazon Textract to extract that information. And obviously, if someone wants to review, obviously that's an option available. But this feature will tell you what's the power of machine learning and how you can consume it to build a really smart solution that will automate the end-to-end process within your enterprise. So by saying it, in this video, let me quickly jump and show you the manual steps, how you can use the Amazon Textract. And I'm also going to show you the the library which Amazon AWS has built and they are maintaining, and now that's part of the Python stack. You can access it through PyPy, and I'm going to show you the website where they have maintained it. very well maintained. They are continuously making sure the library is stable, and it provides the capabilities. Also, they are continuously improving it. So the biggest advantage of using the Amazon Textract, that you're gonna always get the latest stable version, which will help you to build a really powerful solution. So by saying it, let me quickly jump into my Amazon. So you can see I've already opened the Amazon Textracts. If you haven't seen it before, just type Textract and it will show you Amazon Textract. So I can open it again. Let me quickly come in here. So we can see we have analyzed document, we have analyzed expense, we have analyzed ID, analyzed lending. There are multiple options that we can use as part of this machine learning feature, right? So let me quickly, because this video series is all about analyzing the document. So I'm going to use the analyze document option. And now you can see we already have a sample document available. With Amazon, they provide you the sample document just to understand how things work, or they also give you the capabilities so you can see why I can't see. Oh, okay. I might need to adjust the. Okay, I need to scroll in here. Okay, I think that's much better. No, yeah, that's much better. I just need to see where the main scroll bar can, because I want to bring the, let's see if I can go down. Yeah, I think that's, yeah. I'm just trying to find where the upload document. So with Amazon, they won't only provide you the sample document, but they also let you upload the document which you have for a testing purpose, so you can see the whole functionality by yourself. So what we're going to do in this video, let me quickly show you the sample document which is already coming on our screen. So you can see we have the raw text, and raw text basically extract all the information, and that's the unstructured information data. So you can just, if you just want to extract whatever is available, regardless of whether it's part of the fields or part of the table, so you can still extract all the information that has been provided on the document. So that is called the raw text, and that's what I have mentioned in my article today. Layout is more like identify, and that's why I was saying, see, Textract is really powerful because it not only extract the information, it detect the different part of the document, like where is the header, where is the figure, where is the table. So all those part of the document, they're gonna be identifiable through this service, and you don't need to do anything. All you need to know how you can use it, and then rest of the thing the Textract will do for you. Right, so in this one, you can see it's already identifying that it has the figure, and you can see it has highlighted it in the sample document. It has the header, and header we can see is I think the header, it's mentioning it in here, but the confidence is very low. So you can see the confidence is trying to identify, but you can see the confidence is pretty low, right? So because based on the document image or resolution, these are all the factors which contribute in the confidence score. And then we have the text, which is in here. So you can see it's more like identifying the layout, right? It's nothing to do with the information. And section header, we can see earning statement, whether it's right or wrong, that's a separate discussion. But you can see every extraction from the document has an associated confidence score, and that confidence score will help us to investigate further, like whether we need to look into it and confirm it or not, right? And by the way, with more and more document, this score is gonna improve, because that's again the power of the machine learning, that it learn every day, or as long as you are feeding more and more data, your algorithm is going to be improved accordingly, right? So more you fed your data in your machine learning service, more accuracy is going to show you over the time. So the next step is forms. Forms actually identify all the fields on the document and return you the data that has been added corresponding to those fields. So you can see if I come on the document, we can see co, which is ABC. So that's the field on my invoice. I can see file number. Let me see if I have the name now. I have the number. I have the period ending, pay date. So these are all the fields, right? So which are part of this document. And look how powerful this service is. It is extracting that information. And let me see if I have the first name. So we have title, which is operator. I believe there is going somewhere is going to, there we go. Bank name, authorized signature, social security. So all that information is identifiable as part of the form feature. And then we have the table. Table is another powerful. If your invoice has been designed like it has the form part on the top of the document and table on the bottom, the Textract is gonna extract them separately. So if you need only the form information, it's just gonna return you the field information. If you need to extract the table information, you can use the table option, and it will only return you the table of the document. So it's a very powerful, or you can combine them and return both all together, right? And like I mentioned in the solution diagram, that at the end as a bonus, we're gonna see how we can store it into the DynamoDB, so we can process it further. So you can see how the whole integration process is gonna be end to end, that we are pushing the document into the S3, and it will trigger a Lambda function which extract the information, store it into the database, and from there it can further trigger some additional workflow that depend upon the requirement from the business end. And queries is another feature. I would strongly recommend to look at my article, which I have published on the LinkedIn today. These videos are going to be part of it. So in what queries does, queries will help you to identify if you want to extract a particular information piece from your document. So for example, let me see what I can extract. In this case, let's see, how about if I have what is period ending, all right? And let me submit my query, because I can see period ending is on the top of the document, and now see it is extracting the text, and it successfully identify, okay, against the period ending, that's my date. So very, very powerful feature which you can use to extract the particular part of information from your document, right? And obviously, last but not the least is the signature. If you want to identify how many signatures has been added into the document, and based on those signature, obviously you're not gonna translate those signatures, but at least it will trigger. So for example, if your document need a signature as part of compliance, and the processing you are doing will identify that there is no signature, so we can safely reject that document, or we can initiate another a part of the workflow that can address or that can notify the respective people that the document that has been sent is not the legitimate document for processing, right? So these are all the processes that we can automate, and that's going to reduce a lot of, I would say, manual effort and increase the efficiency. So I hope you enjoy the intro of the Amazon Textract. I'm not sure why I'm saying texture. Amazon Textract is really, really powerful. In the next video, we're gonna see how we can upload our own document and do the same thing, like if we can extract the information. And in the third video, we're gonna see how we can automate that process based on our solution architecture that we have initially discussed. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel feel free to put comment in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next one.